When you're listing your postcards on eBay, are you really paying attention? Hey guys, Ken here. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a great day. You know, I was on eBay this morning and, doing my routine and doing my listings, and I came across something that I missed. And this is why I wanted to do this video and get this out to you, because if you're not paying attention while you're actually listing your postcards on eBay, it could cost you sales. Okay, now I know I've mentioned on other videos about how you need to pay attention to your quantities, you need to pay attention to your SKU numbers to make sure they're accurate, but this is one area that just may slip by because you're not really thinking about it that much. It has a designated place on the template, but when you're using an old template, you just might miss it, and if you do, it could cost you some sales. And that's the item description. Okay, that big block that you put all that text that describes your postcard? Well, what I did, and I happened to come across this morning, is what I normally do is I take part of my title at the top and I will hover my mouse over the top and drag it, and I will copy part of that title and I'll put that as a title in my item description, to start my item description off. Well, I was on this old template that I was using to, save some time so I wouldn't have to type everything over again. And what happened was I noticed that the title in the item description was completely different from the title, where the title field is. The title actually said it was a hotel in California. And the title in the item description said it was the Oakland Bay Bridge in California. I mean, I completely, when I used this template the last time, I completely forgot to change that. And, some people might think, well, they'll look at that and they'll look at the pictures and go, well, he just missed it. No big deal, right? But the thing is, what if it was something a little more close to the subject or the photo in the description? What if you had in the title, like the Golden Gate Bridge in California, and then you had the JW Bridge in New York in the title description in the actual item description? That would be, they're both bridges, but they're in two different states. And, might be looking at it, scratching their head going, well, okay, which one is it? And especially if the postcard doesn't have an identifier on it and you don't know what bridge it is. It might be a postcard that just doesn't have any data, doesn't have any words at the top, and you have no idea what bridge it is. You don't know if it's the Oakland Bay Bridge, the Golden Gate Bridge, or the JW Bridge in New York. So take some time when you're going through your listings and just take your time and take the time to look at your previous listings. In other words, if you're using an old template to save yourself some time in typing, make sure you're checking those fields, and especially make sure you check that item description field, because if it's completely different, if you missed it, you might be able to catch it. And then what I did was I caught it, and then I went back into that original listing and I changed it back so that the title at the top was actually matching the title description in the item description. You want to be consistent that way. And, again, I can't emphasize enough, make sure you're using great keywords in your titles. Make sure you're using the right SKU number. If you're using an old template and the item quantity is different, I came across one of those this morning as well. I was using an old template and I only had one card, but since I was using an old template, the old template said 3. And if I'd missed that, then I would have been in trouble, because it would have said I had 3 in stock when I only had 1. So you gotta just take a little extra time and just check over those details, because those details are very important. And I'd hate to see you lose a sale because you messed up on an item description, or you messed up on a title, or you messed up on a quantity, or you messed up on a PC code. That could be a nightmare if you've got tens of thousands of cards and you mess up on a PC SKU number, and then you got to search through your whole inventory looking for it. That would be like finding a needle in a haystack. It's just something that I came across this morning, and I just wanted to share it with you because I don't want to see you guys lose money. We're all in this to help each other, and we're all in this to, make more money. But you got to be careful when you're listing those, item descriptions and titles and quantities, and you got to make sure all that data is correct. So therefore, that's your best chance of actually making the sale. Okay, so I hope you got something out of this video. If you did, smash that like button. I appreciate it. It really helps the channel. And I wanted to make this other announcement. If you'll notice on this channel, I just passed my 100th subscriber. I am so just elated. I'm not kidding you guys. You got to understand, this is like my 4th try at YouTube. The first 3 were like a crash and burn. It wasn't pretty. Okay, it just, whatever I was trying to do wasn't working. But this seems to be working, and I'm helping people. And when I hit that 100 subscriber the other day, I was just elated. I was just like, wow. It's a real humbling experience when you look at that and you see that 100 people are actually interested in following me and hitting that red subscribe tab. So, thank you so much to all my current subscribers and all my new subscribers that made that happen. I know I'm not like the big YouTubers, or I don't even consider myself a YouTuber, but I'm not like the big guns who have tens of thousands of people and they probably get 100 subscriptions a day. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Listen, I gotta go. Just wanted to share that with you. You have a great day. I wish you all the best and success on eBay in your postcard business. I really do. And I guess that's it. And we'll catch you later. See you on the next video. Take care and bye for now.